In this video, I'll show you where to get promo code deals for LegalZoom. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, go ahead and open up any website, web browser, go to Google and type in LegalZoom promo code deals and then click search. And now I'm in the search results inside Google, and we got these big third-party coupon promo sites. So we got Coupon Follow, coupons.com, Groupon, Real Tell Me Not. So you can see all the different offers they've got. You can click into any one of these to redeem that deal, and just be mindful that some of these deals do expire as well. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on couponfollow.com. And all these codes do change daily or weekly, so keep an eye out for that as well. So just come back every so often. So now I'm inside Coupon Follow. If I scroll down, you can see all these deals, and some of these are even verified as well. So we got 10% off here, 5% off, $10 off, etc. So to activate any one of these deals, just simply click onto it and then click on copy. And now paste this code at the checkout section of LegalZoom to enjoy your 10% off your order, or you can simply click on redeem at LegalZoom.